My dear brothers and sisters, we are aware today's theme is care for our common home. About 5 years ago, the Jesuits came up with 4 universal apostolic preferences. And the 4th preference is care for common home. It is calling the Jesuits and the partners to collaborate with gospel depth for protection and renewal of God's creation. In simple terms, it means to protect creation through daily choices like reducing waste, saving water and energy, and supporting eco-friendly practices. Secondly, to stand with vulnerable communities affected by environmental damages. And third, to promote formation and education and public action that leads to a more sustainable and just world. My dear friends, Saint Ignatius, he grew up in a place where he was very close to nature. In fact, one of his visions he gets in a place called River Cardoner. He was gazing at the river Cardoner, and suddenly he experienced God. And in that experience, he recalls where he gained a lot of knowledge and about God in a small experience of that one particular incident. So what I would like to say is, in Ignatian spirituality, Saint Ignatius treats creation as a place to encounter God and not avoid it. In spiritual exercises, Ignatius invites people to notice how God gives being, life and sustenance to creatures and to respond with gratitude and love. About the gospel and the first reading, I don't have to say much. Only that just like Jeremiah was told to wear that linen belt around his waist close to his body, the Israelites were supposed to be very intimate and close to God. But what did they do? Just like the linen belt was hidden, later became useless and broken, in the same way, the people of Israel, by not remembering their God, because of their pride, they too, the relationship was damaged and broken. And in the gospel, just like the mustard seed and the yeast, which are very minuscule, hardly noticeable, but within they bring change. The mustard seed becomes a tree, and the yeast leavens the whole dough. And this mustard seed and the yeast is compared to the kingdom of God. The kingdom of God is not outside there, it is within us, in our hearts. And the kingdom qualities are like prayer, penance, forgiveness. We have to pray, we have to do penance, we have to forgive ourselves, our neighbors, and start. You may think it is a very small thing, but as we have said, everything starts small, but later on becomes big. We have to start that revolution beginning from me.